I'm a scientist. And today I'm going to tell you something that will blow your mind. Get ready. Neutron stars can spin 600 times per second. That's 6 times faster than our sun. Just to give you an idea of how crazy this is, if our sun was spinning at that speed, it would be moving so fast that it would rip itself apart. They're about the size of a city, but they can spin really, really fast. It looks like a tiny little dot in the sky, but it's actually spinning so fast that it's creating a jet stream of material from its poles. The fastest ones are spinning at about 600 times per second. These incredibly dense stars are left over after a massive star explodes. And we can actually see these really fast spinning neutron stars from Earth using special telescopes. So next time you look up at the night sky, remember that there could be a neutron star out there spinning really, really fast, just waiting for us to discover it. These jets can be thousands of light years long, and they are moving at almost the speed of light.